Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I am trying to lose the postpartum weight, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I would be eating for breakfast, lunch and dinner, an entire week of meal prep. I'm starting with dinner because that will take the longest time to cook. For dinner we're having baked potato and beans. So I'm just cutting the potato into smaller pieces, add olive oil, sea salt, mix everything together and then arrange it in a baking dish. I'm going to bake the potatoes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. While that is going on, I just want to quickly make my baked beans. Baked beans, trust me, is much more delicious when you eat it up with natural spices. I'm adding this leftover from last week, our chicken and carrots and cucumber leftovers. That will also add more protein and increase the veggies. So I'm just adding cayenne pepper here, and then I'm adding black pepper, parsley, mixed herbs, dark seeds. We're going to allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. I didn't add salt to the baked beans because it's usually a little bit salted already. Baked potatoes is ready, so I'm just going to top it with the baked beans and then I'll return it back into the oven to allow it to bake for another 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. For lunch, I'm going to be having pancake and berries. Weird, right? So we're starting with eggs. I'm adding milk. You can use any milk of choice, really. You can use any plant-based milk if you don't like creamed milk. I'm adding yogurt. There's no pancake without some flour, so I'm just going to be adding flours. This will make sense per serving, okay? So fear not. This is pancake for 5 days, so do not worry. Some olive oil. Baking powder. Golden syrup. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box below so that you can know the amount to add per serving. If you love pancakes so much and you can eat it any time of the day, let me know in the comment section below. It's so good. I couldn't wait to taste it. So I'm just topping it with some yogurt here. And honestly, this is like the best lunch ever. Yes, I am that girl who would eat breakfast as lunch. Finally, for breakfast, I'm going to be having oats and banana. So I'm just mashing the banana now. I'm adding oats. Mix everything together. Peanut butter for fat and protein. And to take it to another level, some dark chocolate. Trust me, your life will not remain the same after adding this to your oats. Some mixed seed. I have sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, and the likes. Add water to get the right consistency and then serve. So good. If you want to easily stick to your weight loss goal for the week, then you do need to meal prep. Because once you have healthy food, it will be easier for you to stick to your plan for the week. And before you know it, you're losing weight. That's it for this week. We are done. Full recipes and grocery list in the description box below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay fit and healthy. Bye for now.